I'm going to test my Inspire 1 out in the field. Give you like a proper look, and just want to give you a comparison. Check. Still get certain delays. Now, watch this. As you can see, there's a small delay and some degree of strobing as I wave the aircraft and the camera is going side to side. There is some sort of interference or drop in frames. This can't be helped with the DJI Go app. Now here I've changed over the drone interface to the Litchi app, and immediately you can actually see the camera movement and the screen view, and the screen view actually is smoother and more realistic to how the camera moves. This next example is me taking the drone up in the air at least 20 feet away and showing you the difference. This is an example of the DJI Go app. As I'm moving the rudder left to right, you can see the strobing and delay and possibly drop in frames. Despite fixes in reducing background processing on the Crystalsky and increasing my aerial, it still strobes. This is an example of the Litchi app, downloaded from the Amazon App Store. Again, from a similar height and distance, I move the rudder left and right to show you the camera view, and you can see it's running fairly smoothly. This camera view is good enough for me to judge my orbits as I go around a certain subject. I hope that this video has convinced you that Litchi is a worthwhile app to download for your Crystalsky. Please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll show you some more hints and tips.